Small rugged speaker. Up to 10 hours. At 50%, I've only used the speaker up till 8 hours at 50%. IPX7 waterproof, but I wouldn't trust it. USB-C for charging. Can connect to multiple speakers. Sounds cool, but haven't tried it. USB-C for charging.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
Sounds good but doesn't really have bass, but that might be good for some people. But I'm more of a bass type of person, but that 10-hour playtime is something I need, so pros and cons, I guess. Outdoors it's quite low if someone else plays music, or there's something else in the background, you might not even hear the music from the speaker. Would I recommend it if you need something on a budget? Why not? It's cheap and won't really be a headache if it breaks if you drop it in water or whatever else.